Dough stayed in the refrigerator all night, overnight. It's here right now. It's a little cold, which is good. It's easier. First thing we're gonna do, we have a mold here. We're gonna put some butter. Butter ready to mold with butter. Okay. Okay, so we're ready here. The mold is ready. Okay, let's stretch the dough now.
Look nice.
Yeah. You don't want the dough to be too thick. Alright. You can see the butter here in the dough. Alright. Okay, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna cut. Okay. I'm gonna cut about 2 centimeters away, like this. Okay. Be careful with the knife not to cut too much because it happened many times I cut my board too. Which is not a good thing. Oh, this is my dough here. I'm gonna roll it with my, yeah, like that. Only it's a little sticky. So I'm gonna put a little more flour. It's getting hot here already. See, I can hardly take it out. It's a problem in hot country like Thailand. Like everything is so hot. Okay.
Too hot.
Yeah. Problem. Cut it off from 1 minute only. Okay. Okay, we let's undo it here. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the dough for about 15 minutes. Alright, I'm going to cook the dough, and after that make it cool and put it in the freezer. Alright, first thing we have to do is to make some holes. First of all, you have to do is to put the oven on under the 80 degrees. Alright. Alright, now we have to do is to pick the dough with a fork, like this. So when it cooks, the air which is under the dough come out. Otherwise, it's going to have a big bubble. You see the dough is very thin, which is good. You don't want a crust too thick. And you can keep the dough in the freezer and then just put it right back in the oven. But this time we're going to cook it for about 10-15 minutes. And we're going to cover with parchment paper. I fold it several ways, like it's very easy, half, half, and half. And then I have my scissor, is here, and I'm going to put her in the center, and I'm going to cut like this. Okay. Now open it. And this here we go. You see? Alright. And I'm going to put the weight, which is rice here, like that. You can use rice, you can use beans, whatever you want. Just you want to put some weight so the dough doesn't raise up while cooking. You want to keep it down. Okay, this is ready to go. Let me see if my oven is getting hot. No. I don't see it hot. Alright. So I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Okay, we keep cook it for 15 minutes.
It is already. Now just move the light out.
I'm going to move the rice out if I can. Yes, I can. There you go. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna let it cool off and put it in, after put it in the freezer.
Okay.
And then that's gonna be it. And I plan on doing a quiche with this, you know, for the next video. So I would like you to consider, you know, subscribing, so you will get the next video. All right. Here I have some leftover dough, so I just did a quick crust without side. I don't know what I want to do with it, but I will do something. All right. Well, thank you for coming, and wherever you are, have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.